Welcome to TRENDSI Trades. You guys, this morning we are actually celebrating the largest win we've made on this channel since starting a couple months ago. This is actually on Apple. We ended up making 176% profit just off of this trade call out. Now, you guys know I end up trading with 100% proof and accuracy. This is the exact video that I sent out on September 14th to say to be looking into playing Apple puts. The price of this was 155.12. If we go back over to our charts, this was the area where we entered and we've been able to draw it all the way down. You guys, the reason we're able to be so successful, grab these indicators today. This is never going to be this much off. It is currently 70% off, normally $4.99, only $149. One investment gives you lifetime access. It is honestly probably the best investment you guys will ever make with trading. Get our buy-sell indicator, get our linear regression indicator, our advanced dashboard indicator, which shows overall money movement, market movement, and key EMA crossovers, support and resistance, and of course our Discord that comes completely free for life. But you guys, the reason we're able to be so successful is because we have the knowledge and we have the tools that we're using to be able to be successful in the market. So when we get into entries like this that I'm alerting to this community that you guys can follow along, and everyone who did watch that video and is currently still holding is still making a lot of money. And I want to show you guys with the options too. If we would have got into this trade right here where we had alerted, let's just go off the underlying stock. If we had done that alone, you're looking about a 10% profit. But instead of a 10% profit, we were actually able to make much more off of that play and actually 176% profit. So when you guys end up grabbing these indicators, I actually have a video showing exactly how I personally trade options, which has a very good risk management strategy alongside with it. So you guys can be successful in the market and not only capitalize on 10%, but 10-fold percent on top of it. Now, the reason why this was alerted, and everyone with these indicators, I want you guys to go up when you grab this. These are the settings that I have on this chart specifically right now to be able to look at this trend. Input these settings on this indicator and you'll be able to see exactly these entries with these sell signals. The linear regression indicator is the first one that I always have populated on my chart because this is going to show me the overall market direction. So if we're heading out of the market, we're in a bearish momentum. So that's why I only want to have my sell signals on. So if you go over under style, you can have buy and sell. I like to be trading with the trend, so that's why I have the sell signal on. Once you have those two illuminated, you then want to just go down to your bottom dashboard here, which is going to overall show you a lot of metrics in the market. So the reason why I entered in right here and ended up telling you guys to be going for puts on this was because on the bottom dashboard here, our middle band, this is going to show you overall market momentum. When this is green, this means bull market momentum, price is going to be increasing. Right when this switches over to red, that means bear market momentum, price decreasing. So that was number one. The second one was this white line, which represents money movement. So if money's flowing into the market, what should the price be doing? Well, the price is going to be increasing. If money's flowing out of the market, that's when price is going to be decreasing. So a lot of metrics, that's two of them. So the third one are these green and red dots. Now these are key EMA crossovers coded into this indicator to say to look for a further continuation to the downside. So right here, we actually had all three of them. So you had your money flowing out of the market, white line, your middle band, which is bear market momentum, and we also had a key EMA crossover. So that was a great entry. That's why this was alerted to our community and why it was such a good spot to be getting in to playing puts to the downside. Now, we ended up getting another couple signals here, which was just added confirmation to say, all right, we didn't go above our stop loss, which would have been above the previous swing high. We stayed below this, making a lower high, and then we ended up getting another sell signal. So the pattern and the continuation pattern still stayed bearish, which is why we were able to hold off on this trade until we get down into this bottom deviation level here, which is green. So right now, what I'm be looking out for, I will be doing an update on Apple, but I want to be seeing if we can possibly get a reversal on Apple, pushing to the upside here in the next week or so, and actually closing out this play again for one of our max profits of 178% just in a couple weeks. Thank you guys so much for following. Again, if you guys have a moment, grab these indicators while it's this much off, 70% off, normally $4.99, only $149.70 on checkout. Do input this code of SAVE70. Start joining with us right away. You can literally start trading with us this Monday coming and start making money alongside with us. Have a great rest of your weekend. We'll talk to you guys soon.